Hi, my name is Paul Arnold and I'm a qualified counselling psychotherapist. And I specialise in relationships because at the end of the day, relationships give us the greatest joys, but also can give us the greatest pain. So the question I'm often asked, is how much does it cost and how long do I need to do therapy for? And look, as always, it's like a piece of string, isn't it? Let's deal with the price first. Typically in the UK right now, in 2024, it's going to be somewhere between 60 and, shall we say, £120. And obviously there's bound to be someone who's charging 250 quid, and good luck to them. And obviously there is lots of low income support for people, which will range from say £5 to, so we say, £40. Very often is going to be related to how much income you earn. Very often in those spaces you're working with trainees, because that's the way in which they can do it. Lots of great charities are out there to be able to go and do that. But actually the price you pay is actually sort of not the key factor. The key factor is how long you're going to do it for. And in the old days of psychoanalysis, people used to go almost every day and for 2 or 3 years. Now that model is gone now, and typically people will do one 50-minute session once a week. Now, sometimes people want more because they need it, but that's by and large the sort of what seems to be the going norm. Now, the average length recorded right now is somewhere between 12 and 14 weeks that people often go for therapy for. Now, that's a bit of a false figure because averages are always false, and obviously the NHS bias towards short-term therapy, particularly with CBT, brings those numbers down. But at the end of the day, you've got to recognise it takes time to change. You didn't get to where you were in just 12 weeks, so why do you think you're going to get out of there in 12 weeks? And actually, I think, there are some things that you can have quick fix solutions for, and I will certainly talk a little bit more in one of the other videos about that stuff. But I would suggest you should budget for 6 months and then see what happens, But, you do need to put, time and effort into this, and the end of the day you say, wow, that's a lot of money, 6 months times by, shall we say, £60 adds up. Yeah, it does add up. But what price happiness? What price balance within your life is what I would say you've got to really look at. So you've got to put it into the bigger picture. And so many people, frankly, are drinking through that amount within a week, trying to deaden the feelings they have. Well, wouldn't it be better to find another way out of it?